Good, thanks. My line manager placed an order for a laptop.
My name is Gerraint and I'm the Engage Change Project Administrator. If we have a phone call, I would either deal with the parent on the phone straight away, or I would get the details and then pass it on to either Elite, Support Implementation, or Goliad.
Oh, brilliant.
Email, exactly the same. I can either copy their details to either Goliad or Elite, or sometimes they come to me directly. Any new contacts we have, I put it on our database, so which collects all our detail. My favourite part is coming into work and day in day out working with what I have to work with, because we've got a great team down in Disability Wales for the Engage Change team. We've got a great team. In the beginning, my job coach was really supportive. She was really, we were quite close. She made sure that I knew exactly what I was doing and that I had sort of like a rota, which is basically like a daily task list then, to make sure I'm doing everything I'm supposed to within that day. So she helped me in the beginning. But then towards where I am now, she only comes in like once every often, because my confidence is growing and I understand the job more and the role more. So therefore she doesn't have to come in so much. I'm more confident using the telephone. I was really confident using the phone if we had any phone calls for Engage Change, but now I'm using the phone call, we've had a phone call in, I'm using the phone for all the departments. I got a better grasp of Excel. I did do Excel in college. I'm on an administration course, but now I've got more gaps with it, so I know how it works more. Another one would be using our contact logs, so putting it on a database within Disability Wales. And minute taking, I've very rarely done minute taking in the past, only for Youth Forum Secretary, and their meetings were once a month, so I didn't do it that often. Whereas now we're having it like maybe once every 2-3 weeks, so it's more regular and I'm better doing that. I've always wanted to do admin ever since I was in primary school. I'm doing that now. So to be honest, what I've dreamed of in school is what I'm doing now. And I've always had a motto, which is A is not for autism, A is for achievement.